Longest cell in human body is nerve cell. Study of soil is known as pedology. Deficiency of vitamin causes night blindness. Vitamin A, main region of the heart attack. Cholesterol. Study of insect. Entomology. The study of flower. Anthology. The study of fungi. Mycology. The study of bird. Ornithology. Myopia is disease occurs in which part of human body? Eye. The study of fruit. Pomology. The study of plant. Botany.